thank you. Can I please get your name?
It's Gugumanana
Gugumanana, where are you from?
from Crystal Park, Benoni.
All right then, I'm Black Diva, Ursula, and you look very nice, I must say. So, are you looking forward to tonight?
I am. I'm very excited.
All right. Which comedians are you expecting to see tonight?
Thenjiwe and
Thenjiwe, sorry.
yes, definitely.
All right then. I'm sure you're gonna enjoy your night, and you're gonna just enjoy. I don't have anything much to say.
I definitely will.
All right then. It's very good to meet you. Enjoy and happy April Fool's Day. Bye. All right, I've got 3 beautiful ladies here. Woo! You guys look stunning. High five. Girl power. Yeah. Oh, you ladies look very, very nice. Oh, thank you. I'm trying. All right, so how do you guys feel about being here tonight?
I'm so excited. I can't wait to see Thenjiwe.
Thenjiwe, the queen. All right then, so what are your expectations? What kind of show are you guys looking for? Like,
Oh well, I just want to laugh my ass out.
you want to jiggle those wiggles? All right then, no problem. Where are you guys from?
Alexandra.
All right then, you guys look very, very gorgeous. Girl power, rocks, and who are you dressed by? All of you guys.
I'm dressed by her.
By her. Oh, you're the designer. How are you?
Hi, Sister Konishani.
Ngiyaphila siyakhuluma vela amaZulu girls ne?
All the way.
All right then, so who are you expecting to see tonight?
I'm expecting to see, of course, Thenjiwe. I'm very excited to see her.
Thenjiwe Zulu girl.
I love my Zulu girl.
All right.
And Utolesbo.
Utolesmo. Woo! It's gonna be on fire.
Yes, we're very, very excited. My friend and I booked our tickets in January. We've been looking forward to this for the past 3-4 months. So
All
I'm
right.
very excited.
All right, you're gonna have yourself a great night. And how do you feel about April Fool's Day here at Carnival City?
I haven't been fooled yet. So I'm still looking forward to another fool for about the next 4 hours. So somebody prank me. I'm waiting.
Can I prank you right now?
Okay.
Yep. Pilla pinna. I'm joking.
Okay, there, you did it. Thank you.
All right. Have a great night. Okay.
Thank you. I will you too. Thank
All
you.
right. Bye. We're at Carnival City, where it's happening. It's lit. It's hot. It's happening. All right, then let's go by her. Sanbonani.
Sawubona sekunjani?
Ngiyangikho right.
Indaba.
Ngoba nina nikho right.
Right impela hawu kanti mina.
Simele ukuhleka nje.
Funa nihleke manje hlekani basi ngithini gaga.
Yabona mangangitshela ukuthi mina ngihleke ngesizulu ngizokutshela ngamanye angisumzulu. Ngokutshela ngesizulu ke.
All right, ubatla uthetha. Batla ubuwa. Bulela.
Kibuwele mangakhe ngiyabuka kanti.
Ubuwele Black Diva. Yeah.
Okay.
All right. So you guys, what brings you guys here tonight?
It is like it to me. Stop nonsense.
Stop nonsense. He was on Date My Family the other time, eh? You remember like 2 weeks back? No tahalang lamteha.
Just.
Telling you, Saba, Salina Mayako Guys, I didn't know to take what he said. Spotlight. Boom. Now, hey, I'm shining man, the camera. Oh, this
Jiggle those giggles, ne?
Yeah, I need to brighten up. I need to laugh more. It has been the longest week of our lives in terms of political and administration of the country. So I'm here for the lady that is heavyweight. I'm here for Celeste. I'm here for Thenjiwe. I'm just here to relax and laugh, and laugh at myself as a South African more than anything.
That is very, very touching. I actually like it when someone wants to laugh. People are tense from work and all that. But if you're willing to come and laugh and support our artists, it means a lot because we're doing very well for ourselves.
We as South Africans, we do not embrace our own brands, our own thing. Who exactly do you expect that person to admire us, to appreciate us?
Yeah.
we are in a stage in terms of a country as a society and how we're socialized that most important things come from abroad and so forth. We need to take a sense of ownership whereby these are our comedians. We have our own likes of Travers. Now they're abroad. Do I need to appreciate him because it's abroad? Or should I start it here? There was Joe Mafela is gone. Did we give enough platform for him not only to depend on television acting or to go to his gig where he's making comedians? So this is our own, must embrace it and appreciate it and support it and be able to laugh at our own jokes, at our own stuff, at our own self, through our own people, not when it's being said by somebody from abroad.
Yes.
That's my sense.
That is very, very true. Wow, that's true. Like, thank you so much for the support. They deserve it, and they need people like you to keep growing even more. Like, thank you very much.
Pleasure's
And
mine.
I really hope that you enjoy the rest
I'm
of
going
your
to-
night.
My name is Kevin.
Kevin?
Yeah.
From
Pretoria.
Pretoria?
Yeah.
Pretoria?
Yeah, we're
Pretoria?
good.
I'm joking.
Yeah, no, I know you're here for the heavyweights.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so that's going to be a pretty cool show. So, yeah, I'm excited.
All right then. You're just gonna enjoy, relax, and laugh, and
That's it.
then jiggle and giggle, whatever.
That's it, absolutely. Shake that booty as well.
All right then. So who's your favorite comedian?
I actually like Trevor Gumbi.
Okay.
He's my personal favorite, and yeah, that's pretty cool.
All right.
And he's
all
a
right.
close friend as well. So,
A close friend.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay.
we
What
met
can?
a couple of times.
All right. All right. Then that's a good thing. All right. So what are you expecting from him?
Side-splitting laughter.
Wow.
That's what it is.
All right.
He's good at that. Yeah.
All right then, Kevin. Thank you so much. I hope
Thank
you have
you.
yourself
You
a
have
great
yourself a
night
good one,
and be good. Have you been fooled today?
Yes, a little bit.
What happened?
At the circus, we were at the Moscow circus.
Okay.
Yeah, so that was a good one.
All right then. I have something to tell you, but don't tell anyone. Do you know Nicki Minaj?
Yes.
She's actually my cousin.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
Do you want me to prove it?
Prove it.
Yeah. By the way, yeah, what you said, you can tell I'm missing no meals. Come through and kill him in my automobile. Let him in with his grill skip, telling me to chill. Yeah.
I actually thought it was the but it's a singing, so it's fine.
Oh my god! You got me on that one. All right then,
Thanks a lot.
enjoy the rest of your night,
You too
Kevin.
as well.
Thank you.
Cheers.
My meal. It's gonna be nice, yes? Let's eat. Sanibonani. Ngiyaphila ninjani? Niyaphila?
Siyaphila.
Nijabulile?
Kakhulu.
Nithokozile?
Kakhulu dadewethu.
Thokoza.
Angeke sithokoze la ngisazohleka.
Ngisazohleka. All right then. Ngifuna ukubona banje namuhla. Sinqale ngapha.
Dadewethu, we are here to watch Kansime, Thenjiwe. Those are my favorite women. Eh?
All right.
Yeah.
Kantime, number one. Yes.
Kansime.
Yes.
All right.
But in South Africa, Thenjiwe.
Uthenjiwe,
Noma
rock.
kanjani.
Noma kanjani rock Uthenjiwe. And she's my sister, by the way.
Oh,
yes.
congratulations.
The hair, the face, like, can you see siyafana vele? Ngisiswa komncane.
Omncanyana.
Ehe.
A slimmer version.
I'm not slim. I'm not slim.
No, I'm here to see Kansime. She does it for me. She does it. I actually want to see if all the videos actually that we've got does depict what she's got.
Oh, okay,
I'm
okay.
here to see her, and if she doesn't make me laugh, I'll delete all the photos.
No, you're just joking. She will kill it.
Yeah, Kantime.
Kansime. All right, again. Phuma kuphi?
Nah, Spumi Kai.
Are you guys married?
Nah, we are.
Ah, just like me.
We live here in the Israel.
I'm engaged
You're engaged.
to myself, me and I.
Please, and if you are engaged, answer the phone.
The phone. Hello.
Answer.
Hello.
There's so many people calling you, so you better answer.